If you see this video, also I'm here again because the big guy is here again. I'm dead.
Wala. Because of you, you're already sacrificed.
I sacrificed myself to do the base.
You didn't attack it anymore.
What a sacrifice.
You person.
But I'm still here. Near to the base. Wait, what? I spawned to the base. I don't have a gun, ammo, or anything. Ouch! Ouch! Ow! Ow!
Kain. You are thirsty.
Okay, goodbye, guys.
You're gonna leave now? Legacy.
Well, if you war name, I'm C47, I'm cool 29V underscore 29V actually. And now goodbye. And well, this is the game, Jeff. We did a base.
BEX.
And that base
Is a fortress.
is a fortress. I don't really know where's the base. Over here, as you
It's like
see
it's
here.
unmissable now.
Anyone who see our base, well, it's not there. You see, they're building a base actually so weak builds with us. But they are making weak builds, but us, there's
We build
no.
our back. We build our house back.
We build our house back,
Even
even though
extend the house too.
Yeah.
It's like bigger. More caves too.
we made it like caving house and literally bigger. See over here, this is AB fortress, like a legit fortress like this. We expanded the house. I made the walls. My dude over here made the roof.
In this side, this looks very ugly.
It's okay. From afar you see here the big Jeff is destroying it, but I sacrificed myself as you said. I sacrificed myself to return this. And now let's go up for some reference. Thank you guys for supporting the Jeff. Remember, please subscribe and follow. You see over here.
Subscribe and follow us on YouTube, yeah.
Yeah, like that. Subscribe, like, and comment. Okay, now you see that name? That's my friend. And me, I'm this guy. Yeah, this green,
Hang on, Crowbar.
this green bean guy. And now goodbye. See you next time, guys. Remember the game.